So what you can also do is you can generate musical notations by using Microsoft Copilot. So over here, you can see that this is what you have right here. So now you can see that I'm in the creative mode. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to tell it to create musical notes right here. I'm just going to go around and say create musical notes, musical notes for, let's say for example, create musical notes for a bright song right here, just like this. I'm just going to go around and say bright positive song, let's say for example, just like this, and press enter. So once I go around and do that, what happens is that it goes around and then simply goes around and then creates out the musical notes for it. So you got to wait for a while right here, just like this, and it says here is a simple melody right here for a bright a positive song in a key of C major, which is known for its uplifting and happy sound as well. So you can go around and download out the text, but you can also do this. So for this musical note, write a Python code that will generate MIDI file out of it. So if I were to go around and write this out right here, so now you have the musical notes right here as well, and you got the Python snippet around over here as well. So now it even tells you that for this to work, you need to install the Mido library right here, and then it creates out the Python code, as you can see right here, just like this. So now it says import Mido right here in the Python code, and then you can see that this is what you have. So now you got the notes right here for each of for numbers for each of the notes right here, and it has the sequence number as well. And if you were to run this, then it'll create a MIDI file inside of Python. So this is how you can go around and utilize the a MIDI notation creation option inside of Microsoft Copilot as well, and create MIDI files by using Python codes just like this. It'll generate out the code for you, not the actual file, but you can go around and utilize this ability of Microsoft Copilot. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.